And hug the knees into the chest. And closing your eyes a moment, just feeling that releasing, that lengthening through your spine as you rest. Let the shoulders drop, face soft. And come to the awareness of the breath, the breathing in, the breathing out. And then from here, we'll come to wide legs. We keep the feet up off the floor, drop the knees wide, have the hands to the inner knees and open the knees out wide, resting here. Just take a moment to circle the head here on the mat, to soften out the neck. So you might like to do this with the closed eyes in one direction and the other. And then coming back to the center, we'll move to happy baby pose, grabbing a hold of the tops of the feet if you can, and bring the shins perpendicular. Press the knees, thighs down, outside edge of your trunk, resting here to this happy baby stretching pose. You might like to even just rock yourself side to side. Give yourself a little massage down through the lower back, sacral area. Inhale fully and exhale, slowly release. Placing your feet down onto the floor. So for the next